Hello, my name is Oscar Roach. So in 2019, with a group of us, went to Japan and spent a week with Mr. Kato studying standardised work. Now, one of the things I've learned since then through application is that work standards, not standard work, but work standards, are not well understood and they're not well applied. Yet they are absolutely foundational to a successful program of standardising work. In their workshop, I'll go into that in a little bit more detail, the what and the why, but then more importantly, what we'll do is we'll use this simulation here where I take parts from the buffer and make this product. I'll be getting you to help me actually develop work standards for this very simple process. And then in session 2, we'll take what we learned in session 1 and actually apply it to real examples from your workplace in session 2. So please join me for this workshop, September 8 and 9 through the AME. Look forward to meeting you and seeing you there. Thank you.